Bakit ayaw magpadede nung una? Oh, hindi mo rin natiis, no? Good girl, Yara. Thank you, Yara, for being a good mom, okay? So, kasi gutom ang baby. Don't worry, ha? I'll buy you a treat later, okay? Mommy will buy you a treat because you're a very good mom. No? Kahit ayaw mo na magpadede, but now you are still giving them milk. Thank you, Yara, for being a good mom. Thank you so much. I hope you won't get sick, okay? Just like before, no? That was your first time, ano? But now I think you know what to do already. See, guys, because she doesn't want to give her milk. Kaya ganyan yung forma niya. Kanina, hindi ko lang na-capture sa video, but nakadapa talaga siya. Yeah.